parlour, Rob and Tui really did push the boundaries in terms of construction technique through to technology, like what we've done here with Dynalite.
Family-friendly and usable system was really important to us. So Rob and I have 2 young boys. Being user-friendly but also being able to keep up to their requirements, which is ever-growing. When you live on a canal, you've got 2 fronts of the house, so it's really important that home security. They were the main requirements for our house.
Dynalite was a clear front runner for us when it came to lighting control, as its software and architecture really allows integrators to complement the overall vision of the homeowner or the architect.
The lighting is everything. If you don't get the lighting right, you don't get anything right in a building. I'm talking about natural light, but also man-made light. How are these spaces going to be lit? It's all about the idea of when the sun sets, the lighting must rise. And how is that done?
One of my favourite features of this house is actually that transition from dusk into the night. It's where the lights change, everything slows down, but we don't really notice, it just happens.
Dynalite gives us comprehensive control over all aspects of the home. The ease of controlling lighting, window shades, motorised doors, access control, integrated audio, all of these things when they tie together connect the house to the family.
Coming up with the various scenes throughout the house. Another scene which we like to use is the entertainment scene. It really sets the house up and sets a tone. We've got the pool lights go on, the landscape lights go on, powder room, art light. There's no heavy lighting. Another one of my favourite features, at the end of the night I can just press one button and it turns the house into the bedtime scene for our kids. They've got a night light on, there's a few security lights on, but I don't have to go around turning lights off and on.
My approach to a home like this is to really drill down and find out how the homeowner wants to use their home, and therefore we can sit down with the owner and the architect and complement each other in the way we can put a system together. This job has plenty of standout areas to it, but if I had to pick one, I'd pick the outside pool area. With its perimeter lighting and fire pit area, it really brings this home to life.
When building a home of this calibre and level, I think it's really important to consider home automation and lighting and security early. It has to be in collaboration with your architect, builder, the owner, so that you get the right outcomes.
The biggest challenge on this project stemmed from the inherent limitations of the construction materials. Any home that looks really nice is generally really hard to pull off. A lot of planning has to go into the early works for these kind of jobs. For us, it's really important to nail that early to make sure we've got a seamless job.
My real main job is not only the design and vision and architecture of a job, but it's actually about building a team and get them to be awesome at what they do and create this overall vision. People can't quite put their finger on why it's good, it just feels good. But the answer is, the reason it feels good is because all those things are coming together at once, whether you know it or not. And that's the beauty of it.